Look at all the pretty color we got today at Creech's. Got it in for Mother's Day. You can get it now, hold it, give it to Mama early, make her happy. We got more color than I've ever seen. Just look at it. Everywhere you look, color, color. Got the biggest ferns in the world almost. Got hanging baskets everywhere. Mandevillas, hibiscus is on a tree. Pretty mandevillas just ready to grow up anything. Got some diplodenia on a trellis. We got all kind of gallons, a lot of perennials. Hanging baskets just everywhere you look. Just hundreds of them. Plenty of hanging baskets for Mother's Day, setting pots. Geraniums, combo pots. Sweet potato vine, green and red. And we come over here. There's some of those gallons I was referring to. There's a lot of pretty gallons here that's showing good color. And then we got the hibiscus. This here is a multicolor hibiscus here. There's 3 or 4 colors in them. That's a new potato vine we got. I don't know the name, but it's right pretty. Diplodenias in hanging baskets. Then diplodenias in setting pots. That's all lantana. We've got so many colors of that now. Come over here to some more of these gallons. Sweet potatoes. Ice plant. Then we got knockout roses. We got more gallons on this side over here. Hibiscus. Then gallons just go on for days. I get tired of walking. There's so many gallons. Excuse me. And then there's just more gallons. Then I've got a lot of more diplodenia over here in white, yellow, red, pink. Some grasses, red grass, muley grass. Then we got Mexican petunias that are real pretty. They're going good today. More gallons out there while we walk. And I got some bush daisies there that are pretty, showing color. Plumbago. Of course, some more hydrangeas down here. Canna lilies. I'm new at this. Then we got some firecracker grass, agapanthus, that's real pretty, showing a nice flower. More hanging baskets over there. And then we got some palms. We got European palms, sago palms, Chinese palms, Robolini palms. We got shade plants under here. We got hosta, begonias. Then we got some Gerber daisies. Come back here, we got a few of these left now. They will not be here next week. The hydrangeas, we got a few purple left and a lot of pink. And some of that rose color they call it. Just look at the size of these ferns. And I can't get it all in there. I'd have to step back 10 feet. They are huge. There's some hanging up. Got some Hawaiian ties. Got crotons, got elephant ears. That's all multicolored hibiscus trees there. Y'all come on out and check us out. We're here till 6. We'll be here tomorrow from 10 to 6. Hope to see you. Thank you.